Hey there, welcome back to this channel. My name is Shweta, and on this channel, I share tutorials and tips about using marketing tools and platforms to grow and scale your business. Today's video is a tutorial on using the landing page feature in Convertkit. So, if you're someone who's looking to use Convertkit or you already use Convertkit but don't really know how to use the landing page feature, then this video is for you. If you're interested in more such videos about marketing platforms and automation, don't forget to hit subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. In this video, we're going to be creating a landing page on ConvertKit. So this is for you if you're using ConvertKit already. If not, and if you're looking for a platform that is kind of free to get started with, you can check this out. Also, if you're looking for an email service provider that does offer a landing page option for you to start building your list, even if you do not have a sales funnel builder platform in your business. For example, if you're not using something like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Kajabi cards, or stuff like that. So this is where you can start. So when you log into your new account, this is how it's going to be. They've recently changed how the dashboard looks. Earlier, they used to have a sequences tab. Now it is under automation. So when you go to automations, you'll be able to see these tabs here. So I'm just going to go to landing pages for now and click on create new. And then we are creating a landing page. So a landing page in ConvertKit is a standalone page. So it will have the form, and you can kind of customize it to some extent. You do not need another platform for a lead generation funnel if you're using the landing page option in ConvertKit. So you can have a video based page also. So they have a bunch of templates. You'll find something that works for you. I generally like to have it this way or something like this, where there's a photo on one side. The photo could be your pick, or it could be an image of a guide, ebook, workbook you're sharing. So either way, something like that. I like this as well. So let's just select this one, choose. And then, of course, you can customize the different aspects. The one thing you want to remember is always name the page right, so that you can always come back to it. And because what ends up happening is you create so many forms, um, sequences, automations, landing pages, that if you don't name them right, you tend to forget what is what, right? So that takes up a lot of time, and you want to avoid that. So always name your pages like you would. That would help you remember what it is. So here you can see you can change the image here. Uh, I can just do this maybe. I don't think I have any images on this laptop. Uh, Okay, let's see. I should have done this earlier, but no problem. We will find something. Okay, that's kind of like my clients. I don't want to use that. Let's see. Shweta. Okay, these are PDFs. Okay, I'm just going to choose this random image. It's not even showing me what it is, but we will go with it. Okay, a blog image. Um, okay, so you can upload that for some reason. So I will choose it. Okay, yeah, it doesn't really look good, but yeah, you get the point, right? So that's kind of your background image. That's what you'll change. You can change the headline here, download, um, whatever it is. So download the free checklist. Of course, you can change the font color. Um, you can make it bold, and then you can also change all this. Get use the checklist to learn more about Facebook ads. Okay. Or, if you're running a webinar, this could be like pointers about what you're going to be sharing on your webinar. If you're running a challenge, it could be something related to that. You can also have a link, but you wouldn't want to because, again, like this is the main call to action, right? So you don't want to have any other call to actions on the page because you want to make sure you're asking them to do only one thing here, and that's what they will do. You can also insert like a numbered list. You just click on the plus here. So that's what you will do if you're using, like, you're doing a webinar. So secret 1, secret 2, secret 3 kind of thing. And then here again you could write the same thing. Download the free checklist. Also, if you have like an image here where this is your image, you probably could just skip this, right? Because you already have the text here. So I'm just going to remove this for now. So I will just use this space. Learn how to use Facebook ads to get your first 5 clients fast. So again, this heading generally should be a call to action so that you're asking them to do something. And then you could change the color, of course, based on your brand colors or your client's brand colors. You can definitely change this here. And that's it. So this is like the basic page. Just hit save and publish first before you make any changes, and your account domain. So basically this is going to be the page name when people land on the page. So I could just be like marketing tech school. You can also add a custom domain in your settings. I don't think that's available on the free plan, but you can definitely check it out. And then again, choose a domain. You could have a page URL, which I just set up. So I'm going to choose this. What happens once they give their email address, right? So you can have that message here, or you can also redirect them to your Facebook group or some other page that you want to take them to. So I'm just going to keep this as is. And then this is where you're going to set up the email that goes to them once they sign up. So if you are in Europe or if you serve customers in Europe, you want to, you don't want to auto confirm new subscribers because so you can read this why you should not auto confirm subscribers. But again, because of GDPR, you need to get their consent in order for you to send them messages. So what you can do is when you are editing email content, so instead of confirm your subscription, you can just have this button that says that says download the checklist. So when they click on the download the checklist, it's going to download the checklist for them, but it's also going to confirm them as a subscriber. Download the checklist. And of course you can change the colors, which I know a lot of people don't actually change colors here. Maybe this is something new they added, but it really looks branded. And then of course you can add all your, of course you want to edit this content. So hey there, I am so glad you decided to sign up. And then you can also tell them that when they download the checklist, they're also being confirmed as your email subscribers. So click below to download the checklist. Once you do that, you will also become one of my VIP subscribers. Also, you want to make sure you're kind of giving them an incentive, or like, they should feel good about being on your list. So I'm just saying, VIP subscribers, it's good to have you. You can change the subject. Your free checklist is here. And then here you can, if you have multiple emails on this account, you can choose which one you want to send the email from. I just have this one, so I'll use that. I'll hit save. And then, so change what's shown to return visitors. Maybe I can hide the form or continue to show the form. Or maybe I can directly send them to a thank you page or enable reCAPTCHA to avoid spam. So you can do those things. You can also add titles. So free Facebook ads. So when you share the link for this login, suppose you're sharing it in a Facebook comment, what is the image that shows up and what is the title that shows up, right? So this is the title that will show up. And then you can also write a description. You can add an image. I'll just add this one itself. So this is how it'll show up. You can also connect analytics here. You can add your ID. You can add your pixel ID here if you want to track it, but you can totally go ahead and do this. When you click on preview, this is how your page is going to look like. uh, yeah, exactly. You can also change the color of that black in the back. um, you can share the page by getting the link here, which you already have. I'll show you where that is. But reports is basically, you'll be able to see how many people have visited and subscribed. And then this is settings if you want to archive or duplicate this page. So if I click here, yeah, you can change the bottom background here. That's like really dark. Okay, this is fine. And when you save and publish, you can, this is your link. So click to copy, copied, and then when you paste it here, so when you take this link and paste it in a different browser, that's where you'll be able to see uh, your page. And then over here, like this says landing page test, you'll be able to see free Facebook ads checklist because that's what we added right here. So I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I will see you in the next.